The time has come, and I can't do anything else.
I know, Chrono. I know. Now do what must be done.
But the promise, it will be shattered.
Do what I tell you to do.
Hi, I'm Donatus, just a normal student, living my life in high school and all that. My philosophy is simple. Just do what you want and do what you need to do. Nothing beats minimalism and simplicity after all.
Alright, settle down class. Take your seats and bring out your books. So for today, we're going to be learning about linear equations in all its glory. Okay, you may now go to your laboratory for your biochemistry research.
Okay, class, take a seat on your stools and quiet down now. Let's proceed with our topic.
What a day. Who would knew math and science would be this boring? Linear equations? The periodic table of elements? When will I ever use that in life? God, so useless. Well, at least the best part of today is going to bed. I think we have a test tomorrow. I like math and science, but I also don't like failing. Might as well review for a bit. What is this place? Where am I? Who is that? Hey. Huh? Pythagoras? Didn't you die like ages ago?
Must you be so foolish?
What did you say?
Nothing at all, child. Well, to ease the silence, is it not obvious that you, child, are in another world?
541 BC?
Child, there's a reason why you're in such a place.
Why?
Among the faculty's place lay a problem, and the descendants of the universe asked for you to solve it.
Me? Why do I have to be the one to do it? Why can't you do it? And what do you mean the descendants of the universe?
Could you let me talk for even 1 minute? Goodness, finally. Currently, you're in my time and my era. But you have to solve problems to move on to the next era. Specifically, mathematical problems, for now.
Math problems? But why you? And your era?
Then that explains that the solver, you, child, will be sent into random places in the random centuries. The ones that will guide you towards every era are the most prominent figures of mathematics and science. But enough chat. We have a problem to solve, don't we?
This is the problem we have to solve.
Precisely.
Wait, this looks exactly like our math lesson.
Then thou art prepared.
Prepared-ish?
And who knows, time has stopped outside this realm. Only when you solve it will time flow again.
So, time must literally stop until I answer correctly? Love that for me.
Consider it as motivation. Now begin. Find the distance between point A and C. That will be thy radius.
Right, distance formula, subtract coordinates, focus brain, focus.
Point A lies on the circumference and C is the center. Thus, AC is the radius.
Oh, so X and Y are like the legs of the triangle.
Indeed, X and Y are A and B. My theorem completes the rest. Using the distance formula, let's substitute the values, then that would lead us with 250 minus 250 quantity squared plus 150 minus 400 quantity squared. And that would leave us with the square root of 0 plus 250 squared. Or simply, our final answer would be 250 units. Next, do you still remember how to solve the area of a circle?
Yeah, it's radius squared multiplied by pi.
Correct. And using that formula, we can use the radius of 250 and squaring that would give us 62,500 and multiplied by pi or triple.
Oh! In our time, we just say it as 3.14.
Sure thing. We can do 62,500 multiplied by 3.14.
And 62,500 is multiplied by 3.14. The answer is 196,250. Let's write it down now.
Hold on! Remember, it says to divide by 5. And doing so will give us...
39,500.
Now you can write it down. My role ends here. Another mentor awaits.
Wait, what? Mr. Pita! Hello?
Who on God's earth are you?
What do you think you're doing here? Wait, calm yourselves. Curie, could he be the individual the apparition that came to us a few nights ago spoke about?
Perhaps. But we can never be too worried, no?
I suppose so. Let us handle this with care as we do any experiment. So,
It's Donatus, sir, and Madam.
Dimitri Mendeleev.
Madame Marie Curie.
What is happening? First, it was Pythagoras teaching me maths. Now it's Dimitri and Curie? Judging from before, I guess this time they'll be teaching me science.
In the same orderly fashion that I have requested to the other individual that I've met before you two, I want both of you to tutor me.
Is that it?
With pleasure.
What are these that you have written on the board?
This is what we've been working on. This is the periodic table of elements. It holds substances which is our own unique use and purpose.
Each substance has a role. Some are the foundation of life, while the others are the destruction of life. Life and civilizations depend on these different elements.
Why does it look so unorganized?
That is not so, Donatus. The periodic table of elements is arranged in a precise order. Each is organized by its atomic number, which is the number of protons in its nucleus. Remember that.
You may think it is messy. This table is divided into groups, similar to families. Each element shares traits and similarities. For example, this column consists of alkali metals. Would you mind sharing that some of you know of?
Sodium?
Great.
They're characterized by having just a single electron in their outermost shell, which they lose easily to form positively charged ions with a +1 oxidation state.
Do you see what we're getting at? How can an element you guess on a whim could contribute so much to society?
I suppose so. What about potassium?
You wish to know about it. Potassium is an electrolyte and a mineral essential for your health, regulating fluid balance, muscle contractions, and much more.
But
That does not require critical thinking, dear Donatus. Elemental potassium is highly reactive and does not occur naturally. The classification of potassium with other alkali metals is based on its shared electron configuration with similar chemical properties.
Now, Donatus, pray, tell us what you think is the most abundant gas everywhere beyond the planet we stand on.
perhaps nitrogen?
Not exactly, Donatus. Though, that's a correct assumption if the question were for the Earth.
Perhaps since this element consists in anywhere in the world, maybe hydrogen?
Exactly! Hydrogen, the simplest element with one proton, is the main building blocks of stars and the universe.
If this only consists of one electron, how is it so strong?
Perfectly asked. Now you're thinking like a scientist. Since it only consists of one electron, it is highly reactive, meaning it can bond with almost every element with ease, forming countless compounds. Hydrogen's ability to form bonds is essential for building life.
I'm truly impressed. Science is truly elegant.
The time has come, Donatus. Say farewell to your little friends now.
Thank you, Mr. Dimitri Mendeleev and Madame Marie Curie, and extend my gratitude for Mr. Pythagoras as well. I will make sure to use this for the betterment of both myself and the future.
Carry these lessons with you. Never stop questioning. Be a curious mind, dear Donatus.
Do well in the future, Donatus. Make us proud.
What? Was all that just a dream?